If you clicked on this video, you likely want to become rich. Many of us are told we need to go to school, get a degree, find a job, and wait years to become wealthy. But it can be simpler than that. People usually want to be rich to escape a job they dislike, gain social status, or have the freedom to buy anything they want without permission. I know you want to make millions in your 20s, like those kids you see on the internet. If these are your goals, you're in the right place. But here's the truth. It won't happen without these 5 principles that I'll share with you today. These are the exact principles that helped me make $1 million by 26 years old. So, let's dive in. Number 1, you're still broke because you're lazy. The first reason you're still broke is simple. You're lazy and you don't value your time enough. If you don't fix this, you'll stay broke forever. Ask yourself, what did you do today? You probably slept in, had coffee, checked Instagram, watched random YouTube videos, and maybe spent 30 focused minutes on your goals. But you're still in the same place as last year. Life is a tough competition with clear winners and losers. You get to choose which side you're on. If you waste hours daily on meaningless activities, you'll end up a loser. Winners, on the other hand, understand the compound effect. This principle states that small daily actions, when done consistently over time, lead to significant results. Your actions shape your future for better or worse, so make wise choices because time is more limited than you think. You have more energy now than you ever will, so use it wisely. Number 2, hard work won't make you rich. Many people believe hard work will make them rich, but that's not entirely true. A lot of people work hard at manual labor, but never get wealthy because they aren't working smart. The key is choosing the right path. I made this mistake myself, working hard on the wrong things. I could have had better results if I focused on the right path. To become rich, you need to learn valuable skills. Skills that are always in demand and will remain important in the future. Focus on what fits your personality and strengths. There are countless ways to make money using your unique talents. Find what works for you and develop those skills. Study someone who's already successful and learn from them. Don't follow advice from too many sources. Stick to those who've proven success in your field. Surround yourself with people who are doing what you want to do. Success breeds success. Number 3, invest in your self-education. Investing in your self-education is what truly set me free. The fact that you're watching this video shows you're on the right path, but you need to take action. When I started, I spent 1 to 2 hours a day reading books, and this had a huge impact on my life. It changed my mindset and helped me overcome limiting beliefs. Reading is the quickest way to gain financial wisdom. You'll start thinking like a rich person before you even have money. If you're just starting, aim to read 1 book a month. Books like Millionaire Fastlane, The 4-Hour Workweek, The Psychology of Money, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Think and Grow Rich helped me the most. These books can give you valuable money wisdom in less than 6 months. The more you read, the smarter you'll become, gaining years of knowledge in just a few pages. Number 4, to make money, you need to understand how it works. How do you expect to get rich if you don't understand money? Money is simply a way to exchange value. You get paid based on the value you provide. If you're broke, it's because you lack valuable skills. Mastering a skill is crucial if you want to get rich. There are countless valuable skills like sales, advertising, or video editing. For example, I had someone working for me making thousands a month just by coming up with video ideas. Whether online or offline, there's no shortage of money if you offer value. In the US alone, over $500 million in new currency is printed every day. If you're struggling to make $5,000 a month, something needs to change. The goal is to get so good at something that success becomes inevitable. It took me 5 years to make my first million online, but I would have reached it faster if I'd known this earlier. Number 5, go all in. Most people think they're committed, but they're not. They don't value their time properly and are stuck in survival mode. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, the stress will stop you from focusing on your business. I've been there. I was constantly anxious and couldn't focus, so I cut my expenses, moved back home, and sold everything but my laptop and clothes. This gave me $3,000 to invest, and I made nearly $2 million in 2 years. If you have only a few $100s, you're not ready yet. Get a job, save at least $1,000, and then go all in. The most important principle: start today. Time is ticking, and you can't keep waiting for the perfect moment. You can't get time back. As soon as you finish this video, apply what you've learned. Success takes time and patience, but starting creates momentum. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share it, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.